Do you want to grow on YouTube faster using AI? So in this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to create and scale your YouTube content. Claude AI can help you with everything from video ideas to full scripts and even titles. So let's break it down step by step. So start by asking Claude for ideas. So you're going to ask Claude that give me 20 YouTube ideas about anything such as AI tools for beginners, keep them viral and high CTR. And then pick topics that are trending and easy to create. After selecting topic, you're going to turn your idea into script. So you're going to type in write a 3-minute YouTube script with hook, intro, main points, and outro on any of the topic. For example, I selected the only 3 AI tools you'll ever need, delete the rest. And Claude will generate a structured script you can easily use. Refine it by asking, make it more engaging, add examples, simplify the language. This makes your content better and more natural. You can also ask Claude for catchy titles, thumbnail text ideas, and turn one video into multiple pieces. Ask Claude, convert this into a YouTube short or create Instagram captions from this script. This will help you grow faster. You can also use Claude with CapCut for editing and Canva for thumbnails. This creates a complete YouTube workflow, and that's how you use Claude AI for YouTube. Stay consistent, improve your prompts, and your channel will grow faster. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.